Welcome to episode 4, and today we're just going to learn this button. Okay, so how to create this button with CSS before after animation. We're just going to learn that, and to order to create that we just need to write only one line, and you can just connect all of the style sheets if you want for fonts, icons and our regular styles. So let's jump into our CSS styles. Okay, you can just copy all of CSS codes for reset. Take the button class Hp_btn4 and let's write some property. Display inline block padding 15 pixel, 25 pixel, and color white, background color orangey, almost like orangey. Then overflow hidden because we need to create the before left to right. So font size 20 pixel. And let's see how it works. It's look like a regular button here, and now we just need to rid of text decoration and need to add some positioning here with before. Okay, so content nothing and position absolute, top 0, left 0. We'll adjust this later. Then height 100% and width 100%, not pixel, it will be 100%. Okay, so 100% and transform, rotate 45 degree. Okay, so we get the 45 degree. Background color is white and make opacity 30% maybe. Okay, so 30% is 0.3 simply, and we can just see how it works. See, it's working fine. Okay, let's move it. Okay, so where we can just make it a left minus 100% to move it to 100% left. Okay, let's add transition to see the visibility of animation. Okay, and then when we hover the button, then we will get the before in 100% left, positive left, from left to right. Okay, so minus 100% to plus 100%, it's going to be our animation. Okay, let's refresh it, and now we can see our animation. So this is our animation. We just created this, and we can just adjust our opacity and transition of the animation as our choice. Yeah, 0.6 second and opacity true. Okay, so yeah, it's working smoothly. So this is our button. If you want to download this, you can follow the link in the description below. You can watch the other episodes I had created to how to create CSS animation buttons with CSS before after. Okay, so this is it for this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in next episode.